Yes, family, we're here at the factory for Alabaster. And we have some artists here. Nice, my friend. Nice.
Welcome to our factory.
Yes, beautiful. Picasso. This is my guy right here, Picasso.
And different kind of stone. First, all we start with the alabaster. Alabaster comes three different colors: white, brown, and green. Yes, not gray, not black. Under light, it's green. We bring this stone, my friend, behind this mountain, which is 150 kilometers far with camel and donkey, because there is no road to use car. 5 or 6 days go and come back. Big rock like this over here. First of all, our artists start to cut and shape the form with this hammer.
Also,
we can make vase, pool, ashtray, statues. This is how it starts. It can be a vase like this. Can you cut it? See how heavy it is? What he guess?
This is heavy.
yeah, yeah, that's why the temples look the way they look.
Oh, wow.
What he guess?
Maybe 10 pounds.
10 pounds. And you?
That looks like 20.
20 pounds. That's why, that's why I'm asking you. But I think around 7-8 feet. This is how it starts. Then rub it with linen material and glue and powder of alabaster with hot water. Leave it under the sun to dry, not to get cracked or break, to be more strong. Then dig it in the ground here. We start to drill it. First with a straight tone, then a drilling tone.
I want to do this.
My friend, you want to do it?
Of course.
You can.
Yes, I want to do it.
Mash.
Mesh.
Mash.
Mesh.
Was our pleasure. a job here, by the way. 2 days to make the hole inside. This is how it look like from inside.
Oh,
Then my friend,
I can't see. I can't see.
That's the base.
Open. Thank you, Habibi. Habibi.
after this, taking the material out again with the hammer, and then we start to polish it with different steel files. From rough file till smooth file to smooth it and shape it from outside. Then smooth it more with sandstone. Sandstone more soft and smoother. Still our lady use it for the hand and the feet. We call it back home, pumice. Make it so smooth like this, you can't touch. Like baby's bottom, my friend.
The baby's bottom. Listen.
Yeah.
You sure it's the baby?
Can it break?
It break if I shake it? If it drop?
Of course, can break.
Are you sure it's supposed to be a hot stuff?
It's strong material, by the way. And we do rub it, double rub inside.
Oh, they're wrapping it. I tell you to ship everything and they fix it for you.
After this,
And they fix it for you.
put it in our Egyptian oven where we make our bread. This is how it look like. For 250 degrees, half an hour, then cover it with wax. Why wax? Wax make the color shine. This is final, my friend. Can you guess now?
Oh, that's a fire.
Fire.
This is done by machine. We call it faster alabaster. Thicker and heavier. Done in 3 hours. 10 bees like this, my friend. 10 bees like this. It take around 50-55 days to make. Also, this is water leaks. Here you have to put plastic bag, but this is too nice for water. This is done for light and tea light. This is about the section of alabaster.
Yeah, that's heavy.
Yeah, you can know.
Oh, geez.
Yes.
Hey. Damn, look at the
Very heavy.
yes, geez.
Over here, come to see, come closer, please.
She's up close to these.
Come
That
close.
one maybe weigh 50 pounds. They could have carried that in the suitcase.
Over here,
Close.
Mr. Wow, which is in the bathroom for the moment, is making different kinds of stone, which is green alabaster, white alabaster, onyx, basalt stone, granite. He can do tea light pyramids. This is made out of white alabaster. You can put barking around to make a nice smell in the house. Here, that you can write in your name in hieroglyphic, and it's very light, you can see. Also an obelisk light as well. Scarab beetle, symbol of good luck and good wish, made out of white alabaster. This is onyx, onyx stone, green alabaster. Basalt stone. This is basalt, volcanic. Here, different hats and statues, and out of the statues, cats made out of white alabaster. Hippo. This is made out of green alabaster. Nefertiti. This is made out of limestone. Hatshepsut.
Heavy touch.
Hatshepsut made out of limestone as well.
Oh, yeah.
We can do Anubis, Sphinx, pyramids. Volcanic stone, which is basalt. Last section here, my friend, our Egyptian Picasso. Our Egyptian Picasso making still of limestone. He bring the rock of limestone, cut it with a saw the size he like, then draw it with pencil or a pen like this piece. Then chisel it with different chisels. Smaller, bigger, he can carve high relief, low relief, also colored from nature. That he can use red color from brick, black color from coal, green from the leaves of the tree, shell of the eggs, honey, herbs. Put it in the oven. Why? Because limestone absorbs water, absorbs color. How to prove this is real or not? Only the taste. For limestone, you put water over it. Because you find lots of people everywhere that you go, in the Kings Valley, Hatshepsut, in the marketing, they sell big stone, which is plastic with shoe shine on it. If you ask them to put water, they behave it from you. They like to do fast business. Put your finger here, please. Look at it. Look at it. This is plastic with shoe shine on. They like to do fast business. Here, everything by guarantee. We are very serious here. Thank you for listening. I hope you understand my language. Yes? Come inside, please, to show you the rest and the light. Please follow me. Come on.
I'm telling you about the shopping. I hope I remember that. Y'all gonna love the shopping.
Come on, Habibi, yalla.
There's something wrong with y'all.
Yalla, Habibi, yalla.
I love the shop. I told y'all. I told y'all. Sorry. But y'all don't believe nothing I say. I told you.
Wow.
Come closer, please.
Come closer.
And here I'm going to show you the three color underline. As I tell you outside, alabaster comes three different color. This is white color. Take the sound, wow. This is brown, which take the sound, ooh.
Like it.
Thank you. My course. This is green, which is hard to find green, by the way. There is no sound for machine. Also different tea light of alabaster, different color, different design, even machine made. On the table back of you, my friend, this is made out of onyx. We brought the onyx from Sinai, handmade, polish it by machine to use it for cups, dishes, bowl, in microwave, hot and cold food. You can use in dishwasher. The stone in the front here, we call it moonstone. Come on. Come to see.
Ooh.